every experience that you gain will remain throughout your existence on this planet, in your consciousness, in your body. You cannot erase it. You cannot take it out. The more you try to erase it, much stronger it becomes, much deeper it becomes in your system. You should observe some silence. Allow yourself to be soaked in that thought and find out for yourself what exactly it is. There is medicine within us. There is antidote within us. As body produces or generates medicine, in the sense certain medicine like hormones or chemicals that's required to overcome certain illnesses or sickness. Similarly, in our consciousness, we do have solution. We do have some special energy that helps us certain thought or certain state of emotion not to affect us. So at first we have to allow ourselves to be totally soaked in that thought or experience. We should really go as deep as it is possible so that you will really emerge with some solution. You will not allow that to happen again, or you will not see the same thing repeated. Then you will come to know with your intuition what is the solution. You cannot find all solutions and answers through intellectual exercise alone. You need the help of intuition. That is where spirituality steps in. As a lotus flower in the lake of inner consciousness, its fragrance should emerge and reach our intellectual periphery, the head, the mind. Then we'll become purged of such negative imprints. Sometimes our greed also will affect us. Too much of expectations. Maybe we haven't forgiven somebody. Maybe we haven't expressed our compassion. Maybe we haven't changed the viewpoint, the standpoint, angle of perception. Then you would know, how to interpret this, how to overcome this. And that memory will still remain with you, the whatever that is affecting your thought, your mind. But it will not overpower, because you will give positive treatment, you will give spiritual treatment, you will raise yourself to higher level of understanding. Then you will simply smile over that issue. It's really nothing. Why was I wasting my time? Why was I caught up in that such little matters? And we should also remember, we are always moving, we are progressing, we are evolving, we are not staying. So we have to let go of the past. We have learned something. There is some essence. We are here not to carry old baggage. We have to make our luggage as light as possible. We should take exactly what is required when you travel, when you journey. Similarly, life is a journey. We should take only the essence and move on to the next, because there are so many beautiful experiences waiting for us. So many gifts are waiting for us. If we create more space, then we will become qualified, then we will receive more. If we clutter the space of our inner spirit and inner consciousness with all ordinary matters, or maybe just matters that we have magnified with the lens of our mind, then we will not be able to move forward. So we have to take pause from time to time, from chapter to chapter, from day to day, from month to month, from year to year, and contemplate deeply, and then open a new book, a new page to write something new out of our experience, out of what we have learned. Then that will bring us more peace and clarity to move. Whatever happens, there is some meaning. This much is for sure. There is really meaning. Those who don't want to know, of course there is no meaning. Those who want to know, there is meaning. There are so many ways of learning, and sometimes we want to learn, sometimes nature wants us to learn. Our celebration is in learning, not in investing what we have learned and do something extraordinary. The learning itself is a festival. We are here to learn. We have to take joy in learning. That is also expansion of consciousness. So there is a learning every moment. Every time we say, no, I learnt it. Now I know, I'm expert, I can deal with it. Then we stumble upon a new truth, new fact. Only universe excels all the time, proving us, no, your ego will not allow you to progress. The humbler we are, simpler we are, difficult it becomes for nature to replace us. So the answer is, we have to totally sit with that matter or thought and embrace it and squeeze the sugar cane to have a juice, drink it, and you got your essence. Now you're prepared to move to the next stage of life. That is also blossoming of our consciousness. Many times what happens? We want to dwell in the past. We don't want to move forward. Universe is moving, everything is moving, nature is changing, but we are still with our mind, we are dwelling in the past, then that's going to really simply come in our front. It's illusion, that's not reality. So we shouldn't let illusion take over us. We should really bring out the spirit of our reality in our front, and that will clear out the fog of doubts and confusions and take us to heights of experiences in life.